Michelle here with my review of this padded, quad, ever advanced, extra tall chair. Now it's got a nice carrying case and I'll show you how easy setup is. Just yank it out of the bag like this. It fits in nice and conveniently. And setup is super easy. Of course the bag has a nice carrying case. It opens up. It is padded and oh my gosh, is it ever comfortable. It's not one of those chairs where it's just your bum and that thin little sheet of canvas between you and the mosquitoes when they're biting you down there, or the cold when that breeze comes in off the lake. It's padded. You've got a space for your beverage. It's nice and high so you can lean back and watch the stars. And it's really comfortable. There's lots of space across the back side here, so my bum fits comfortably, and if I want to, I can even tuck my feet up and be comfy. If you're looking for a really nice oversized tall chair that's padded, protects your bums from the mosquitoes and the breeze from the lake, this one here, it's a family favorite at our house.